What's up, y'all? I'm back at it again, and today we're going to be working on a 2001 Toyota Tundra, and we're going to be changing the fan clutch for the coolant system. So I got my friend's 2001 Toyota Tundra, and it's having an overheating issue. Now, we've already been over changing the thermostat in it, and that did not help. We changed the coolant and flushed the radiator. So today we're going to be installing a clutch fan. I got the clutch fan right here. Ordered it from eBay. Paid 36 bucks, fast and free shipping. So it looks like changing this clutch fan seems pretty easy. It just seems like there's 4 bolts, 1, 2, and then another 2 beneath that we just have to loosen up, and I'm thinking we can maneuver it out without having to take the shroud off. That's what I'm going to try first anyway. So to get these bolts broken free without the pulley spinning, I got my wrench on there, 12 millimeter, and then we're taking a heavy duty long screwdriver and putting it in between the shaft and one of the nuts there, and leveraging off that to break free the other nut with the wrench. I'm going to do that to all 4 of them, and I'm going to have to spin it. Once I get these 2 cracked, I'm going to have to spin it around and then get the other 2 cracked, and then hopefully it'll come right out without pulling this fan shroud out. Alright, got the first 2. Now we just got to spin it around and grab the other 2. Alright, we got all 4 loosened up there. Spin them off by hand now. Bam. So we got the 4 nuts off. Now we're going to see if we can actually maneuver it out without removing the shroud, and I'm hoping so. Yep, easy as pie. Check that out. All right. Now I was also probably able to maneuver that fan clutch out of there because it's the 3400 6-cylinder. I don't know how the V8s are. All right, so our next step is we got to take these 4 nuts off to detach the fan from the clutch itself. This way we can go ahead and mount it on the new one. So we got this 10 millimeter here. And be careful you don't break the fins off while you're cracking these nuts free, because that would be horrible. Trying to fix one thing and then breaking another. There we go. Match up the part, and they definitely look identical. All right. Man, these mosquitoes are eating me alive. Jeez. I think they'd have something better to do than eat people. Alright, simple as that. Let's toss it back on. Alrighty, let's maneuver it back down in there and get those 4 little nuts back on. Whatever you do, don't drop the nut, so it'll fall down into the pan down there. You might have to take the pan off to get it, or try to maneuver a magnet around in there to get it. This one nut's giving me a problem getting back on. Try to move this in a different position. Maybe I can get it on easier. Yep, sure did. Just had to move it over a little so I got the right angle. And the same way we got these cracked free, we're gonna have to tighten them up, but the opposite way. So you slide that screwdriver in there to get that leverage. There we go. All right. Well, that's it. That's how you change your clutch fan for your coolant system. But I'm also going to be changing the radiator as well, but I just wanted to make a separate video just in case that's all you're trying to change. Got it sitting there behind us. I actually didn't even tighten up the whole clutch fan all the way because I may have to take it out again. But I'm going to try to pull this radiator and fan shroud out without taking that clutch fan off. See if I can do that as well. All right, y'all. That's it for this one. Peace and love. Keep it real, and I'll see you on the next one. And if it piques your interest, I got my 1999 3800 twin turbo Camaro build going on. If you'd like to check that out.